Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is Tuesday, January 16, 2018. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, today's the first day back from a long weekend. Hope everybody enjoyed their holiday. Looking at this market, though, we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading higher by 12.5 points. Right now, the futures are sitting at 2801.5 per contract. You can see right here they were higher around 6 in the morning, trading up a little bit to around the 2803 level, but they have since pulled back, and we'll see how it plays out today. Markets right now have been on a tear to the upside. Last week was a very big week for the markets. This week, though, this coming Friday, I should say, we have Options X, so don't expect the same type of movement. I know we're getting a big gap up today, but there will be a lot of game playing going on this week, and you're going to see lots of popular stocks probably reverse off highs, lots of stocks that are beaten down, reverse off lows. That's just typical options expiration action for the month of January. All right, let's get started here with the first stock on the radar. Citigroup is up. They reported earnings. Stock right now is trading at $78.93. They closed at $76.84. So this is a good pop for Citigroup. Again, I do think the stock's a little bit long in the tooth here, but nonetheless, it is strong today. Financials have been strong. You want to stick with it as long as you can. If you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, leave it alone. Let's take a look here at CAR, which is Avis Budget. Stock right now is trading at $49.13. It closed, I believe, on Friday right at the same level. This looks like it had earnings as well, but I'm not seeing a whole lot of pre-market movement here. So again, we'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. So we'll see where that one goes, and we'll just leave it at that. Next up, we have UNH in the news. UNH right now trading at $230.90. The stock right now has been pulling back off the morning highs. It's still above where it closed on Friday. This is on the back of earnings. Again, I don't think the earnings were sensational here, but nonetheless, you got a big pop, and now you've had a good rollover. So it's basically going to be just a touch higher than where it closed on Friday. But this is one we're going to keep on the radar. Again, if this gets down to around the 215.75 level, I would get very interested in it today, but I don't know if it's going to do that, so we'll wait and see how that plays out. But UNH will be on my radar today. So again, we'll see where this one goes, and again, we'll just leave it at that. But UNH definitely is one to watch today, so we'll see how that goes. Let's take a look here at GE, General Electric. Right now, this is trading at $18.23. And again, right now, it looks like GE came out with some news that they're going to take an after-tax charge. Stock selling off pretty sharply, but it has come back a little bit here. So we'll keep it on the radar today. Again, GE has been a stock under pressure really throughout 2017. It started the year off, this year off with a really good bounce, and now it's coming back down to earth. So we're going to keep it on the radar. We'll look at it. Not much I'm going to do with it right here in the pre-market just yet, but we will be watching this one. Let's take a look at MRK. Merck right now coming out with some news that they have a new drug, and again, it's all about drug news. You can check it out yourself. Stock closed at $58.66. It's now trading at $61.65. Let's take a look at Qualcomm. And they are in the news as well. Right now, the stock is trading at $66.15. Looks like they sent a letter out to their shareholders telling them to reject the Broadcom takeover bid, and we'll see how that plays out. Also, I believe there's some more news out on Qualcomm, so check it out today. Stock is trading up now. It's at $66.49, so it is up a little bit from the close, which was $65.39. Around $70, there's a lot of resistance for Qualcomm, so just keep that on the radar. Gets up to 70. That's really the big resistance point that I see for the name right now. Let's take a look here at Las Vegas Sands. I don't know the news on this, but the stock is flying high. It closed at 71.02, now trading at 74. So this is a good pop. I don't see any problems here, but again, if you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, wait for a little bit more of a pattern once the opening bell rings. We will be looking at this one in the intraday stock chat room. We look at all the casino names. Let's take a look at Wynn Resorts this morning. That's also trading a little bit higher. Also, MGM is another one that is trading a touch higher, and then you have MPEL and Melco is, I forget the ticker symbol offhand, but we'll see how that one plays out. Let's take a look at Finisar, FNSR. Finisar right now trading at 21.83. This stock closed at 21.22. So again, nothing really going on too much there, but you could see a nice little gap down right here, and we'll see how this one plays out once the opening bell rings. I'm not exactly sure of the news. I think it might be a downgrade. So again, we'll see how this plays out. The only level that really strikes me for Finisar today would be around $18 or a Pierce of 18. I still like the stock down there if it gets there. I don't expect that to happen, but you never know. Let's take a look at ASML. And this one right now trading at $187.40. That's up from $180.87 at the close. So again, we'll see how that plays out. But right now, nice little move on the back of an upgrade for ASML. And again, we'll see how it trades out once the opening bell rings. Switching gears here a little bit, going over to the gold market. Gold is getting hit today, down about $6.70. If you take a look at the GLD this morning, that's trading at around 126.56. Gold has been off the charts though as of late, so again a little bit of a pullback there in the gold market. Looks like crude oil also getting hit, down about 81 cents today. Right now crude is trading at 64.01 a barrel. So crude, if you take a look at the USO, down a little bit this morning. And again, gold and crude both are lower. Even with the weaker dollar, we're seeing gold and oil down. So again, the US dollar index right now trading at around 90.48. So we'll see how that plays out. Once again, just want to give a quick reminder, earnings season is starting this week, and we're going to get a lot of earnings. Today is a little bit on the lighter side because it's the first day back from the week, but tomorrow earnings should kick into full gear. We should get lots of gap plays each and every morning. So if you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. Also, if you want the morning gap plays, just please email support in the Money Stocks and let them know you're interested in it. Even if you're not a chat room member, we could still email those out to you each and every morning. With that being said, it's an options expiration trading week on Friday. Expect lots of movement, lots of game playing going on by the institutions. They know exactly where they want to put certain stocks prices by the end of the week, and again, it should make for a very, very good trading week overall. With that being said, everybody, I want to wish you a great trading session, and we will see you on the charts.